Hey guys, this is the New Zealand USD trade. I was actually in the long on Monday, if you recall that I said to you in the webinar as well. I took a loss on that. I was thinking this would go up, but it didn't. Broke out below in the triangle, and then I was wondering why it could possibly go down when the dollar index is going down. This would go up, and then I kind of had a look at the milk prices. So the milk prices are correlated with the New Zealand because that's one of the biggest exports, or the main one, as you say. So then I saw that's probably why it's going down. So I took it down, the pullback, got a little late entry, but still pretty good. I am up 50 odd pips on this. What I'm gonna do is, because it's Friday today, I'm gonna move my trade to break even um, there. And also, because it's Friday, I'm going to take like 70% off on this trade. So I'll close 0.70, and that's another 50 pips locked. So, 60, 70, 80, 180 pips for the week.